All right, so this is the Samsung Galaxy S22. Inside the box, you're going to get a SIM eject tool, a Type-C to Type-C charging cable, and a quick start guide. So right here we have the phone. As you can see, we have the green color option, which personally I think looks great. And what I really like about the base model S22 is that if you have small hands or you just don't like overly large phones, then this is a great option. It feels very good in the hand. It's very easy to handle. And on top of that, the build quality is excellent. You have an aluminum frame with Gorilla Glass on the front as well as the back. So you're getting some great durability. But as always, I do recommend slapping a case on the phone as soon as you can. Now, as far as the screen, you're getting a 6.1-inch AMOLED display with an 88% screen to body ratio. You're getting a 120 Hz refresh rate, which makes navigating the phone and all your favorite apps a breeze. And then the overall image quality that you get on the phone is fantastic. You're getting very vibrant colors, so any type of media that you watch on the phone is going to look great. As far as gaming, again, you have that 120 Hz refresh rate along with a Snapdragon 8 chip and 8 GB of RAM. So that lineup is going to hold up very well to just about any games that you throw at this phone. Now, as far as the cameras, you have a triple camera setup with a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera, a 10 megapixel telephoto camera, and a 50 megapixel wide angle camera. And then you also have a 10 megapixel front facing camera. As far as video, you're getting 4K up to 60 frames per second. And you also have the option to shoot 8K up to 24 frames per second. But for most things, I think 4K is going to be your best option. Now let's go ahead and take a look at some samples of photos and videos from the S22.